So I'm just wondering, have you ever thought about doing what I do? Being a 31 consultant, making some extra money, maybe getting out of the house, having some girl time? We'll just think about that over the next couple of minutes while I share some of the benefits and some of the products that you can get in your enrollment kit. So from right now through March 5th of 2020, you can actually join 31 as a consultant for $31. That's so awesome. So if that $99 kit is maybe out of your price range, or maybe you already have a ton of products and you don't need all of those products that come in that $99 kit, this $31 option may be the option for you. So this is an option through March 5th that you can join for $31. You actually have two enrollment kits to choose from: our Adventure Influencer Kit or our Journey Influencer Kit. So I'm going to show you some of the products that come in the kits. Just keep in mind that I don't have the products or the prints that they come in, but it's still the same product, okay? So the first one is the Adventure Influencer Kit. So it's this one right here. It's going to come with a small utility tote and tip-top chevron. You're going to get that Fresh Market Thermal and the Garden Sketch print. And then you're also going to get that clear clip pouch in the new Miami stripe. So all of these prints are brand new for spring, okay? So the first one I want to share with you guys, this is that clear clip pouch. I love this because not only is it a thermal pouch on here, but you have this clear pouch right here. So you can put your phone in here. Oop, I had it unzipped already. You can put your phone right here, and then you can use the touchscreen on your phone through this clear plastic. How awesome is that? And then you've got this pocket on the back, and you have this clip here if you need to clip it on another bag. This thermal is great for snacks, of course, but it's also great to carry medicine with you. So if you have EpiPens or insulin that you need to keep, at room temperature or cold, this is perfect for you, and it would definitely hold those in there. So this is called the Clear Clip Pouch. Then you're going to get that small utility tote right here. This has been our #1 seller. A #1 selling utility tote is that small utility tote right now. You've got the pocket on the front. This is great to carry on your shoulder just like this if you're going to the beach, if you're carrying groceries, if you're carrying library books, if you're carrying files, hanging files will fit on here as well. And then you're going to get that Fresh Market Thermal. So this Fresh Market Thermal is one of our top selling larger thermals here. You've got the long straps to carry on your shoulder. You have a pocket here. The sides snap down for to keep it closed right there. But if you need to open it up wide, all you have to do is lift up the sides, unbutton them, and then open it just like this. I have fluff in here to keep it standing up, but it will come with our leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in here and it will not leak out. Your entire crock pot can actually fit in here. It's so large. So these are some of our top sellers, and you're going to get it in this $31 kit. The Fresh Market Thermal by itself is $50. The small utility tote by itself is $30, and the clear clip pouch as well. You're going to get all three of these for $31. So at full retail price, it would be $92, and you're going to get it when you enroll as a consultant for $31. The second option is called the Influencer. The Journey Influencer Kit. So you're going to get this small utility tote in the Desert Dash. You're going to get a Rubie Mini and a wristlet strap in that Denim Distressed Pebble. And then you're going to get that light traveler card wallet in the Terrazzo Pebble. So I'm going to share with you what those products are. So this round utility tote is something that's brand new from 31. I just love the look of this tote. I love it. And this round style is definitely in. If you're checking out any of those fashion or any kind of magazines like that, you're going to see that this round look is definitely in. You got the pocket on the front. You've got this open tote in here with that laminated interior. So if sand or anything gets in here, you can just shake it out. And then you've got this pocket on the back. So you're going to come with this round utility tote in that Desert Dash print. And then you're also going to get that Rubie Mini here with a wristlet strap. It's going to come in that denim print, which is absolutely gorgeous. This Rubie Mini, of course, has that zipper closure, and then on the inside, it's a great little bag to keep things separate in your purse. It's thin, but it holds a lot, and it just slides down if you want to keep you know, your makeup, any girl products in here, really anything that you want to keep separate or anything you want to be able to grab really quickly. This Rubie Mini is a great little bridesmaid gift as well. I mean, I could go on and on. And then this is something that's new. This is called the Light Traveler Card Case. It's going to come in our Terrazzo Pebble, but I have it here in a different print, in the chestnut print. But you've got card slots here. You have a little lobster claw hook, so you can hook this onto something else. And then you also have a zipper closure here, so it will open just like this and in the middle. Right, like that. So you're going to get these products here for $31 as well, and it's going to retail at $86. So if those higher price point enrollment kits, that $99 kit or that $130 kit is maybe a little out of your price range, or you don't need all of those products, this may be the option for you. So what you get when you enroll. So when you enroll, you're going to you choose one of these prints. You're going to get a catalog also in the mail, and then you're going to get a welcome packet from me, and you'll get another extra catalog in the mail, and just some fun information from me as well. And then you're going to get access, if you join under me, you're going to get access to my team page where you have a ton of resources at your fingertips, and you'll also immediately be able to log into our 31 website and have all of those resources at your fingertips too. Of course, you'll have me and my team to help you get started, and I would just absolutely love to help you get started with 31. So think about it. You know, you can ask me any questions. If you do not have a consultant, please reach out to me on Facebook. You can join my customer group on Facebook and we can chat more. I ask you 2 questions before you join my customer group on Facebook, and then you can Lord, I look horrible. So then you can, then I'm going to send you a private message on Facebook, and then, of course, be sure that you reply back to me on Facebook. But anyways, I would love to help you get started in this journey with 31. And definitely, if you have any questions, please reach out to me, because this is only for a limited time through March 5th that you can join for this $31. So anyways, I hope to hear from you guys. And so see you later.